Hello students of class 12. Welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. This video is for class 12 nutrition, and the chapter that I will continue today is the infancy, and this video is part 2. In the previous video I have discussed about the various nutritional requirements of the infants, and now I will talk about the milk, the breast milk or the mother's milk. Why? Because this is the main food for the infants. Okay, so the breast milk is a nutrient food and a nutritious food for the infants, and roughly 3 stages of the milks are present. The first is colostrum. Next is transitional milk, and the third is mature milk. So the colostrum is the first milk which is secreted from the mother's breast, and this is the first milk. It is usually secreted in the first 2 or 3 days, and after that it gets transited to this to this mature milk. Okay, so the colostrum is only secreted after the delivery. Some people have this idea that it is not good for the children body, or it can be poisonous because its color is slightly yellowish. Okay, but it is the best nutritional source that child have, because it is rich in minerals, rich in like proteins, and rich in various kind of the nutrients that is actually needed to her baby. Like, it is thickish yellowish fluid secreted from the small quantities and about 10 to 40 ml only. Okay, it is rich in protein. It is less fat contained in milk than the mature milk. Its concentration of arachidonic acid and docosahexaenoic acid is very high. Docosahexaenoic acid is very important part. DHA or docosahexaenoic acid is usually help in the brain development. Okay, so it is very important. It is important for the brain development. So many good source of the fats and the proteins are secreting in this colostrum, and it is very good for the child. Okay, the more amount of A and K, vitamin A and K, and its concentration of the lactose is less. The levels of niacin, pantothenic acid, biotin, riboflavin is also low, but vitamin C level is similar than the mature milk. And zinc contained is 20 mg per liter, and much higher it is 2.6. It is ranges between the 20 mg and sometimes 2.6 mg per liter in this mature milk. That means it is much higher than the mature milk, the vitamin C constituents. Okay, next, what is the importance of it? What is the advantages of it? It contains anti-infective substances like interferon. Interferon have the antibiotic activity. Okay, colostrum has a protein which can bind with the vitamin B12 and enable the growth of the E. coli. E. coli is a very bad bacteria that can form the urine infection, and this B12 can help the children to control the formation of the E. coli. Okay. Enzymes like lysozymes, peroxidase, and xanthine oxidase are present to promote the cell maturation, which helps in preventing infections. It contains large quantities of the protective substances and enhance the development and the maturation of the baby's gastrointestinal tract. It helps the baby to pass her first stool. The colostrum is also helping to form the first stool, because the stool is very important for the baby also, not only for the adults. It is also important for the babies. So next we are coming to the transitional milk or the transition milk, and it is coming after the colostrum, and it is in between the colostrum and the mature milk. The transition milk, it's coming after the 2 or 3 days, and the protein contained is decreasing from the colostrum amount, and fat and sugar contains are increasing. Immunoglobulins are also decreasing. What are the immunoglobulins? Immunoglobulins are the important factor that can control the diseases or the infections in our body, in the children's body. It contains the anti-infective substances that protect from the baby against the infections. Okay, so now the transition meal is also completed. Then the mature milk. The mature milk is produced in the rest of the time. The time till which the baby is feeding, the mature milk will secrete. And the mature milk usually secrete at least of the 2 or 3 years. And for the first year, the most of the time the mature milk is secreting only for the first time the colostrum, and after that the transition milk is secreting. The mature milk is secreted after transition milk, and milk that is secreted throughout the major part of this lactation period. Okay, the milk coming out in the start feed, it is the fore milk. It is watery and low level in fat, high level in lactose, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and the milk is coming later in the feed as richer in fat and thus supplies the more energy to the baby, because it is the rich source of the fat and the carbohydrate that can give the proper energy source. Okay, it is known as the hind milk. So the first part is called the fore milk, and after part which is rich in the fat is called the hind milk. And the extra fat and the hind milk makes the look whiter than the fore milk, because the first part which is after coming this transitional milk, it is slightly thinner and whitish, but after that which comes in mature milk in the later part, it is thicker and yellowish due to the presence of the fat. Okay, so the mature milk have the calories and the proteins, fats, like the total energy per 100 ml is 65, like total energy per 100 ml is 65. Okay, and the protein is 7, and the fat is 47, and the carbs are 31. It is all in this 100 ml value. Here you can see for the colostrum the energy was 58 and the fat was 2.9, but now the fat is increasing from 2.9 to 47 because the baby needs more energy, and the protein value is also like that. So you can understand that colostrum is very rich source of the nutrients for the baby, and it is very much needed. The transition milk is the transition between two, and the mature milk is the milk that is producing for the rest of the time, and it is exclusively for the child. And if the child is feeding only the mother's milk, it is absolutely okay, because it can give all the nutrients that he or she can need. Okay, and in this next video I will discuss about the advantages of the breast milk. Till then, thank you.